Well, I don't know if you can see it, but there's tons of fish down there. I got up this morning, checked out of my hostel, got on a train from Osaka to Kyoto today, my first train trip, so that's always nice. I like to get a good public transportation. Figure it out. Anyways, amazing grace, I got up this morning, son of a bitch. I was out drinking till about 4 in the morning. How you doing, Jerome? Hope you're well. Take care. Thanks for coming along. Be good if you can. If you can't, don't let them catch you.